Hello, this is Daniel with DirectorySubmissionReview.com, and this is part 2 of the review of Directory Submitter. In part 1, we went and gave you a basic overview and a little bit of instruction on how you would use Directory Submitter, and in this part, we'll be going through showing you the strengths and weaknesses of Directory Submitter. So let's start with the strengths. The first thing that really impressed us about Directory Submitter is that it is extremely user-friendly. All of the functionality that comes with Directory Submitter is easy to do, such as creating a profile, adding a directory, sorting the directories, all very simple, straightforward tasks that anyone can take care of. The next thing that impressed us about Directory Submitter is the high number of directories. We can see down here where they have totaled them that they currently have 3,034 directories available. The third thing that really impressed us was the ability to sort, categorize, and search and add directories to the directory list. We were also impressed with Directory Submitter's ability to go through and autofill information from your profile into these different forms, saving you quite a bit of time. And the last thing we wanted to point out about Directory Submitter is its ability to export submission history reports. This is a nice way to track the submission that you have done for a particular website. Now that we've covered the strengths, let's go into the weaknesses. The first major weakness of Directory Submitter, I believe to be they have no system set up to provide you a download immediately after you have purchased the software. After purchasing the software, we weren't provided any kind of a download link or any kind of an email providing us the download for the software. In fact, we had to send an email to support and have them send us the link where we could download Submitter version 3.0. They responded within 24 hours, which was great, but still at the same time, with all the autoresponder programs out there and the functionality of the web today, we expected to have a download option given to us immediately. The second thing that is definitely a weakness for Directory Submitter is it has no ability to go through and automatically submit to these directories like some of the other directory submission softwares out there, such as SubmitEase. You have to with Directory Submitter, you have to go through and submit to each directory individually, which takes quite a bit of time. It can take anywhere between 1 to 2 to 3 full days worth of work to get your website submitted to these directories. The last thing we wanted to point out about Directory Submitter is the price difference. There are two options available to you. Two main options available to you when you purchase Directory Submitter version 3.0. One is the option to purchase the Directory Submitter software without any kind of directory updates in the future for $37, and the second option is to purchase it with directory updates in the future for $97. Now that's a big price difference, and we would recommend you go with the $97 option. Here's why. The directories online are constantly changing. There are new ones that are constantly being added. This particular piece of software is only good the only good it provides you is if it is kept updated. If you plan on using this software for a year, for 2 years, for 3 years to submit your company website, to submit the websites that you have built out there, you want something that is kept up to date. So one thing that we weren't too impressed with was that they would even offer you these $37 feature, basically making this particular piece of software obsolete in the future. Just one thing we wanted to point out to you really quickly. We hope that you have learned from this, that you have seen the strengths and the weaknesses of Directory Submitter, and we hope that you would join us on our website at DirectorySubmissionReview.com, where you can see reviews of different Directory Submitter submission software out there on the market, and it can help guide you to making the best purchase for you. Thank you.